Having a dual-colored door panel gives the Mustang interior a nice and subtle flare. Unfortunately, the years of summer heat have finally won, and both of the black inserts are falling off of the door panels. These then get snagged whenever getting into or out of the car and when reaching for the seatbelt, which keeps adding to the deterioration. The painter's tape was only a temporary solution. Before I drop the big dollars on some brand new inserts, I'm going to try some spray adhesive in a salvage attempt first. I pulled back the black insert to clean the old foam adhesive off. Rubbing my fingers over the old foam seemed to work the best at removing it from the panel. Then a shop vac finished the rest. Both the black insert and the door panel were given a coat of spray adhesive. I really should have taken the time to tape up the outside edge of this door panel to reduce the overspray. But I didn't. Do as I say, not as I do. After waiting 30 seconds per the can's directions, the black insert could be reattached to the panel. Work from the bottom up to prevent air bubbles from forming behind the insert. A trim removal tool works surprisingly well for tucking the edge of the insert into the door panel. After letting the panel sit overnight to dry, I returned the Mustang to its hot outside living. It's horrible. Just a disaster. All that work for nothing. Oh, the humanity! After inspecting the loose insert, it revealed that I may not have made the adhesive coat thick enough the first time around. In less than 2 weeks, it was peeling off again. Time for round 2. I will also tape up the door panel before spraying. I guess old dogs really can learn new tricks. Here comes the heavy coat of the sticky stuff. With the tape catching the overspray, I made sure to get deep into the groove. After 30 seconds, I worked the insert back into place. Once it was holding, I removed the tape and cleaned up any leftover residue. Then one final pressing of the groove for good measure. This is Rooster. Thanks for sticking around.